Hello and welcome to the Premier App Spot. I'm Cassie Hayes and this is my Honeybook demo series designed to help bookkeepers, VAs, social media managers, and other service providers like you decide whether or not Honeybook is the right platform for you. Today we are going to talk a little bit about the client portal and a really cool feature that is now in beta. The client portal is a place where your clients can go to see all of the information that you have sent them. So here's what your client will be able to see. It looks very similar to your backend on Honeybook, but they have some limitations of what they can see versus what you can see. So they still have an activity tab just like you do, which will show all of the different communications that you've had with them back and forth about the project. The files will include any smart files. So that will include their invoices, their proposals, questionnaires, anything that you have sent them that is a template smart file through Honeybook. If they click on payments, they can see their payments as well, the different payments that they've made. And I believe they'll also be able to see upcoming payments. And then they can make upcoming payments on the payments tab as well. Then if they click on details, you can see any of the details that you have set up. They won't be able to edit anything, but they will be able to see all of the notes and things that you have made based on your conversations with them. They're also able to upload documents. So you can see this upload button here. That's great if you are any sort of marketer or a website designer or social media manager, and they're trying to get you access or give you access to the files that you need to do what they have contracted you to do. So it's super helpful and convenient. Now, what is really cool is that Honeybook allows you to customize your client portal link. I've always been able to adjust the portal link by putting your company name somewhere inside this portal link. But now, for certain beta users, this will be rolled out pretty soon. What they are doing is allowing you to use your company subdomain. So this means that if you have a website, mine is premierappspot.com, you can actually create a subdomain inside your website so that everything is completely branded for you and your clients are getting a very streamlined experience. The other thing that is really cool about this is that you can now add a button or a complete other page on your website where the clients can log in. So you can see that if I click on Client Portal on my website, it will open up the client portal, which is a login. So I love this for a few reasons. Number one, your clients now don't have to dig through their email to find the client portal. They only have to remember your website. They can go to your website, click on the button, and they know that that is going to pop up. The other thing that's really cool about this is it benefits you because anytime people land on your website, that's going to help your SEO. So what I'm going to be doing is directing my clients, hey, if you ever have a question, you need to log in to make a payment, you can just click the client portal button on my website and you'll be able to log in and do so. Then each client is able to log in with their email and password that they set up when they initially signed with you or when you initially sent them the first smart file. The thing that's really great about this is that you get to customize what the portal login screen looks like. So you can decide this based on your branding. You can have your logo here. You can change the name or the title. I believe you can also adjust the button and then you can change the background color. So you can change the color of the button, the background color. So this is great again because your clients are now getting a completely branded experience. So I hope that you are as excited about this as I am. It's an awesome feature that Honeybook has added. If you are a current Honeybook customer, you can reach out to support and ask them to add this for you. It is in beta. They have really great instructions so that you can just walk through. I did it last night in maybe 20 minutes or so. It was pretty simple. If you do not yet have Honeybook and this is convincing you that it's the right tool for you to jump into, you can feel free to use my 35% off coupon code Cassie Premier Ops, and that will get you 35% off of your first year's subscription. I also have a blog series and other videos in this tutorial series so that you can see the back end of Honeybook and all the different features to decide whether or not it's right for your business. If you liked this video, feel free to like and subscribe so that you don't miss future Honeybook tutorials.